Hello everyone, my name is Arijit Mukherjee and I am a student of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Shodhpur, Panihati, Kolkata, and I am from West Bengal, Purulia district. And today I am here to share with you a very traditional recipe which is followed in our Makar Sankranti and Post Parban. This is a culture, this is a heritage, and this is the flavors what they are actually made at that time. Today I am very happy to share with you one of our traditional recipe from Kurmi Community of Purulia.
Long ago, life in Purulia was very difficult. Farming was not easy because of the red and rocky soil. But every year, people waited for one special time, Posh Parban and Makar Sankranti. It was the session of new rice, happiness and celebration. During this festival, females prepare different kind of pitha from freshly harvesting rice. One of them was Undhi Pitha, made from rice flour and filled with coconut and khoya. These dumplings were carefully shaped by hand and steamed using traditional village steam. This preparation itself was a family activity, bringing people together through food and tradition. Invincible. On the day of Bauri, these pitha were enjoyed warm with date plum, jaggery or sugarcane jaggery. But the story of this dish didn't end here. The pitha that remained after the celebration were carefully kept for the next day. And that is where this unique tradition earlier time, wheat was a real luxury for many families. During Makar Sankranti, neckbound would come together and share a goat among the community through a traditional practice known as Hura Bhag. Every family received an equal share of meat, bones, and fat. The precious mutton fat was never wasted. Instead, it was used to fry the leftover Undhi Pitha with onion and traditional spices. This simple idea transferred a sweet steamed pitha into a rich and flavorful breakfast enjoyed before the day first began. Today, this tradition is still survived in parts of India, where many people know the steam variation of Undhi Pitha. The practice of frying it in mutton fat remains a unique culinary heritage of this region. More than food, it represents community sharing, celebration, and the wisdom of using every ingredient with care.
This is not just a recipe. This is our culture, this is our heritage, and this is our flavor. And this is our responsibility to preserve this recipe by videography or written for our next generation. So let's